You asked how to divide 1080 by 9 using the long division method. 1 is too small. Use 10. 10 divided by 9 equals 1. 1 times 9 equals 9. 10 minus 9 equals 1. Bring down 8, making 18. 18 divided by 9 equals 2. 2 times 9 equals 18. 18 minus 18 equals 0. Bring down 0, making 0. 0 divided by 9 equals 0. 0 times 9 equals 0. 0 minus 0 equals 0. The remainder is 0. The final result is 120.